Hi everyone, it's Melissa. Today I'm going to do sort of an organization of my skincare video. I've been wanting to do this for a while. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to show my Monday, Wednesday, and Friday morning skincare. The next section, my Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday morning skincare. The last section, my nighttime skincare. And I will show the complete ones for each section. So I'll show me washing my face, doing what I do, and then using my skincare. So some of it will be the same footage for each area as, you know, like washing my face. And some of the morning things will be the same. But I want to do it this way in case somebody wants to know, I wonder how she derma rolls, and they can just go to that section and they'll see washing my face from beginning to end. I'll try to cut out some of the washing the face stuff in each of the repeat sections. But I thought it would be a good way if somebody says, you know, well, in the future, if I want to look back and say, now how did I do my skincare at 70? I can look back at each section to remember how I did. I'll probably still be doing it, but just in case. Or if, you know, somebody just wants to know, how do you do your red light therapy? I can say, go to Monday, Wednesday, and Friday section. It's just a good way for me to refer back. Now, I'm trying to decide where to put it. You know how when you go to some people's YouTube channel, it opens up with a video playing. I could do it there, but I'm afraid that might annoy people. So I don't know where I'll put it, but I just want to keep it someplace special where I can just see it anytime I want to. So let me go ahead and tell you the products that I'm going to be mentioning today. The cleanser that I always use is Shiseido Clarifying Foaming Cleanser. I put that on and foam it. I wipe it off with the little washcloths that I knit. I will put the instructions, the video that I did showing how to make these. They're very, very simple. Anybody can do them, and you all can. The little bumps make just the right amount of exfoliation. I wipe off the foam with that and rinse off. The days that I do red light therapy, and the red light therapy, the masks, everything that I have bought myself. And I have the mask from here and for my neck and chest. I show that, and I particularly show these little eye patches that light up. I still say, try these before you invest in a mask, because you can tell if red light therapy works for you. Put it on your upper lip, put it on your wattle, put it up here, put it right there. And the places that we get wrinkles, and see if it takes it away. If it does, invest in the mask then. But these are cheaper. They're eye masks, like I said, but I don't use them for that. I use them for different places that you will see. And I say that I do have an affiliate link always down below. If you want to use it, I get a small commission. If you don't want to, that's fine too. If you use it, you get 10% off, but no big deal, no pressure if you don't want to. And a little thing of alcohol to clean off my derma roller. This is my derma roller. I have it set for to get a new one every quarter. And this one, it's from Sidara, it's 0.5. It's the perfect strength for what I like for my face. And a vitamin C serum. I've currently got the too pricey SkinCeuticals CE ferulic acid. Just use your favorite one. I keep saying I'm not going to buy it again, and I end up buying it, but I think I might try the Obagi one next time. But your favorite vitamin C serum, but whichever one you use, think about keeping it in the refrigerator after you open it to keep it fresher. I always keep mine in the refrigerator. This is a really nice product. It is from Obagi. It is their Exfoderm. Exfoderm is a real mild, it's an acid that I use after my vitamin C serum, and it's very mild. It doesn't burn. In fact, it kind of calms things down after I've especially done derma rolling and then put that vitamin C on it. It does a good job. I like it. And then I have two products that I use from Obagi that are medical grade, but Obagi sells products that aren't medical grade in their regular line. So I'll link the Obagi site and you can just kind of look for yourself and see what you think. I like Obagi products, but and I've always used them for a long time. I started using Retin-A in 1987. It was pretty quickly after at first they started using it more for skincare. And then after that, as soon as I found out about it, I added all the Obagi system, which I still use. These two, the Retin-A and the blender, I get from a dermatologist, but Obagi has a product called Blend that you don't have to get from a dermatologist or a med spa type thing. You can just buy it online. It's called Blend FX, I believe. I haven't tried it, but a lot of people have really liked it. So you might want to look into that if you don't want to go the prescription strength. There's other options. I don't have a favorite sunscreen. I tell you, a lot of times I use the Banana Boat Sensitive Mineral because it goes on white, but I'm going to put on makeup anyway, but it doesn't have any grease in it. I like things not to have any grease in them, so I do use that. So there you go. I'm going to go ahead and get started. There's the washcloth that I knit, and I use it every time. Shiseido Clarifying Cleansing Foam. I love the way it foams. And I wet my face first. Just apply a little bit. It lathers very well, so you don't need a whole lot. Just letting you know that I got it wet, and now I'll wipe it off. I pull up. Everything I do, I pull up always. Up on my cheeks, then I rinse it off. Then I do my neck. And I do the back of my neck too. Then again, I pull everything up. Rinse off the back of my neck. But that washcloth is really good about getting the foam off. And then this is my mask for my red light therapy. And then I go ahead and turn on the little tiny ones, and I put one on each side of my upper lip, so it gets my upper lip and then the lines kind of on this side there. So it kind of takes care of those, gives it a little extra boost, it feels like to me. Then I do this while lying down, and I put it on my chest and around my neck like that. And while I'm on the couch or on the bed lying down, it kind of holds it in place. And then on the waddle thing under my neck, I put another one of the little eye patches. And then I turn everything on. The eye patches are already turned on, and they'll automatically shut off when the 10 minutes is up. And both of the masks will shut off when 10 minutes are up. So you just lay there and let it do its thing. Then I put on vitamin C serum. I try to never use my pointer finger. I try to always hold it out. Somebody told me when I was about 19 not to ever use my pointer finger because it was your strongest one and it would, I guess, make wrinkles. I don't know. I just got in the habit of doing it, so it's probably silly, but I try to always do that. And then I use my Obagi Exfoderm. Same thing with it, just apply it gently to my neck going up and to my face going up. And making sure to try not to use my pointer. Do my cleanser again. and wipe it off. Always wiping up. Then I spray my Derma roller. It's already clean, but I spray my Derma roller again with alcohol. When I'm Derma rolling, it's hard to tell here, but I only go one direction and then raise it up. I don't go back down. I only go up. So I don't go up and down, or back and forth. I just always go up. Now, in between, you know, the 11s right there, I do go back and forth on it. And then to do my upper lip, I hold and I only go one direction. I'm trying to, I think in a minute, yeah, I kind of exaggerate, letting you all know I'm not bringing it back down. I'm only going up. And the other side too. And the same on my neck. I go under, kind of under my jawline, only going up. I don't bring it back down again on the return. I pick it up. Just like I do everything else, only in that up direction. And then on the waddle thing underneath, the turkey neck, I just go up on each side like that in short, kind of short little motions. And then I wash it out with water to get any like dead skin cells off of it. Then I spray it with alcohol and I set it off to the side till it dries and then store it. Then I add my vitamin C serum. Then I add my Obagi Exfoderm. So at night, every night, I clean with my Shiseido and my washcloths that I knit. Always going up in the up motion. Then I add my Retin-A and my Obagi blender and I mix it together in my palm. I kind of work quickly, making sure I don't use that pointer finger. And then I will, you know, go up on my neck and up on everything. I go around my eyes a little bit. I go through my eyebrows and bring it around to underneath my eyes, but making sure not to get too close to my eyeballs. I put it behind my neck and I put it on my ears. I don't use an eye cream. I just go with my skincare products around lightly and try to stay not too close to my eyeballs. Thank you so much for watching this. Please like and subscribe. I hope that if anybody ever wants to know what my skincare is, that you can refer back to this video and it will be helpful. I appreciate you watching. Have a wonderful rest of the week. Love you all and please take care. Bye-bye.